HC Speeders, back with another video, guys. Today we are reviewing this Mini Cooper S. So let's get into it. So right here, we've got that Mini Cooper S. It says the Mini Cooper S. It's the one-door sporty model of the Mini Cooper. You've got that exhaust right there, the sides. Man, the front, I actually do like it. I like the green version with the black grill more, but can't be beggars. I mean, you can't be choosers. Oh, we got the white top. Of course, we got the bottom, the red. Then the doors do open. The interior is more detailed than most. Not as detailed as the Ram, but it's pretty detailed. And let's test out the rest. We've got over here. Let's go. Anyway, that's nice. It goes pretty fast. Small, as usual. But HC Speeders signing off.